guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. I'm going to be doing another plan with me today in my bullet journal. I'm going to be using my March bullet journal kit along with other doodles and drawing in here. I still have my card in here to let me know my setup because I'm still a little unsure how I want to set up my page. So this has been really nice and handy. Now, I still haven't written anything in my key page yet because I haven't had the need to do so yet. The Leuchtturm comes with two little bookmarks, and I usually have one at the beginning of the month and then the next one on my journaling pages. That way I can flip from the beginning and to the end. Now, I know I'm going to start doing collection pages soon, like the books that I'm reading and music I'm listening to and things like that. So I haven't decided whether or not I want to put all of those at the end of the bullet journal or just put them in whenever I decide to put it in. But either way, I'll probably need the key for that. So you guys just saw, I just put down my cover page for March. I'm loving it. It totally screams St. Patty's Day. I'm working on my calendar now. So this is two large sticker sheets. I used to have it so it was completely one sticker. Now you guys can see I have a little slit on the top of the sticker page, so it makes it very easy to remove. On January and February you had to peel it from the back and there was no slit, so that was super easy to put down. The next page I'm going to put down is my March tracker. I have been loving these trackers, guys. I didn't think I was going to like keeping track of like daily duties, but this has really helped me to figure out what I need a little bit more help in, and then also things that I actually don't need a lot of help in. So I did add and subtract a couple new categories this month. So I added in videos and design. I wanted to see what days I actually am uploading, editing, anytime that I'm actually spent doing a video, I want to be able to mark that off. And then same thing with design. I don't have a typical design day because I usually let myself just be creative, but I'd like to get better at making that a habit. I also added in reading this month because I used to read all the time, and I would say it's been a couple years since I've actually picked up a book and really enjoyed it. So I really want to get back in the habit of doing that. So even if it's just a couple of pages a night. So I'm putting down my mandala now. This is the same mandala as last month. I do have it in store now. I also realized that last month I wanted something to be able to check off the days because when I was actually coloring in the circles, that's really nice and handy to have, but I had to count the actual circles every day to make sure that I was on the correct day. So I thought that this would be really nice and handy. So I have them in the store as a full sheet of 31 days, 30 days, 29 days, and of course 28 days as well. So I have the mandala actually set up with 31 circles. Now I don't think I'm going to offer like mandalas with 28 circles and 29 and 30, etc. I'm just going to keep it at 30. That way I'll avoid confusion overall. So if you bought like a 29 day, you don't have to like count each one of the circles. So I think 31 days for all of them are going to be fine, especially now that there is a little monthly tracker that you can mark off when you are drawing in the line. So if you only have 30 days in the month or 29, 28, I would just fill in an extra line probably to start out or to finish the mandala off. So I did add one new one this month, and that is grateful, because in February I had a couple grateful days and I wanted to be able to draw that in. So I'm excited for the new mood this month. Now moving on to my next page, this is going to be the loves of the month. So I do monthly favorites videos on my YouTube channel as well, and I call them the loves of the month. So everything that I have been loving during that month. That video should be actually coming out next week or sometime at the end of this week if you guys want to see that. That will be for February, of course. I'm just sectioning out a couple boxes. Actually, I do have 7. I asked you guys in last month's Loves of the Month page what the 7th category should be, and someone suggested health. So I thought that was a perfect suggestion. So I'm adding that again this month for health and fitness. Now you can see I just covered up beauty with a sticker because I just didn't like the way that it turned out. And actually, I think I messed up in my Loves of the Month page last month as well. But honestly, I think mistakes in the bullet journal is actually kind of a fun thing to do because I love to cover things up with stickers, washi tape, all those things, and it helps me to be a little bit more creative. And actually, I really like the way this is turning out with the stickers included on the page as well. So sometimes making a mistake can be a good thing because you find something better in the long run. Now moving on to my last page, this is my new release page. I'm keeping it very simple with just adding a couple stickers and writing in new releases. That way I have a clean page to work with. I just like to write down all of my new sticker releases for the month here. These 3 stickers, the leprechaun, coins, and the piggy bank, they're a lot larger than the stickers that I have in my shop. I am considering selling them as individual decals. If you guys want those, definitely let me know down below. So that is a look at my March setup. I use the next couple of pages to journal in. If you guys want to see some of my journal entries, I do post them on Instagram. I don't plan on doing videos on it though, so definitely follow me there if you want to see that. So I hope this helped give you a bit of inspiration for your own layout. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!